see them looking sideways, homie, let them hate.
What's up, y'all? So it is Thursday and I'm almost there. The time is almost here. As you can see my sign. Hold on. See my sign. But it's almost over for me. Like the year just went by like I had my theater presentation today. That went well. So I just got 2 more presentations on next Thursday, which is, excuse me. It's kind of like, ugh. Because it's just like, I couldn't be in the beginning of the week. But it's okay. It's all Gucci. We gonna get her done. So, I want to do a hair review on this hair. This is my graduation hair, y'all. This is my graduation hair. And the company that I use is ISEE. And they come in this pretty packaging. They have body wave, straight, curly, deep wave, loose wave, water wave, natural wave, yaki. And they got 4x4 closures, 13x4 frontals, 360 frontals, and all type of waves, y'all. But it's coming in this packaging. Oops. Come with their cards. Oops, some hair tips on how to keep the hair doing good. They gave me a gift. These are the Hollywood eyelashes. Now, I don't wear eyelashes like that, but you know, for graduation, I might have to throw these on. I might want to be like, boom, boom. Okay. Yeah, these are the lashes. That's better. That glare is just like killing me. But, and so I got, what did I get? Oh, I got a 18, 20, and 22 inches with the 16-inch closure. And this is just to show you the hair. I won't be getting the hair installed for another like week and a half because I want it to be fresh out the box when I get my hair done. Thought about dyeing it, but I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do that just because I'll start working after graduation, and you know, you don't want to assume that all jobs let you do the same thing, like have different colored hair and all that stuff. I mean, I wasn't gonna do nothing drastic, but yeah. So it comes. Ooh, y'all, look at this body wave, yes. And it comes in the net, ooh, to keep it protected. Take the netting off with, look at this, y'all. They want to let their customers know that, you know, this is some good package hair. Got some more hair care instructions. And so, like I said, this is the body wave. 18 inch. Yep. And it's Brazilian. And like, let me move this, but y'all, look at this bounce on this. Rubbing my hands through it. It's soft. No shedding so far. So hopefully it stays that way. This look a little nice little bounce. Yes, I like this, y'all. And this is the 18-inch, kind of stretched. And then, like I said, I got a 16-inch closure, and it's 18, 20, and 22. And oh, y'all, look at this web. This is a lot of hair. Y'all see that? That's a lot. That's a lot. I feel like this glare is just like putting it all on me, but that's a lot, which is good. And I have a small head, so I might use 3, but usually I only use, like, I always end up using 2. Show y'all this closure. So I am not installing my own hair. No. That will not be happening. I am going to be getting crowned by the one and only Coach. So I'm going to be getting crowned by Kosha. I will have her link in the her website in the description. So this is also my first time getting a closure. I usually just get sew-ins with a leave out, but you know, like I said, I'm natural, so I want to keep my hair as protected as possible. Got it. And so it is a middle part, I think. Well, it's supposed to be. You can like see it, but like not see it, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I probably can do a little key a side part, but I'm going to do a middle part with this. You can kind of like see, because like how it folds over, like the distinction, yeah, there it goes. So, you know, I'm going to get, you know, close to get it right for me. I don't know nothing about no closures, so, you know, this is going to be my first time. We're going to be experimenting this together, sis. So, you know, let's see how it's popping. But, you know, again, rubbing my fingers through. Hopefully my ring is not catching on to this, but let's try this one more time. Just have what this is like 1, 2, 3 strands of hair. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, it's not really much, but yep, exactly. That's how I like it, you know, minimum shedding. So I am going to take this hair to her a couple days before I actually get it installed, just because I know she's probably gonna have to do some things to the closure. I know like people like get it tinted and bleach. I don't know if she has to do all that, but we will find out together. And I'm going to have a separate video of the install, which will be happening like I said in a week and a half from now. So stay tuned for that. Y'all always wonder how they do this. Like, I know it's called ventilating, but like y'all, sis, like whoever took their time to do like this, it got to be a machine that does this. Got to be, because ain't nobody doing this by hand. But y'all see this bounce? I like this bounce. And this is the 16-inch. So I'm gonna show y'all the other. So again, this is my 18 and my 16 together. Actually, this closure looks a little bit longer than 16, but you know, we ain't complaining. So my 18, my 20, and my 22, and like it comes packaged real pretty, y'all. So that's how y'all know they care. They ain't just throwing it in like some box or bag. They're making sure it's being taken care of. The lady who sold me this hair, she has been in contact with me. Like she messaged me the day that I placed the order. She emailed me the day the order was shipped, and she emailed me yesterday asking me if I got my order, and I have to email her back and let her know that I did get my order. I got home pretty late last night, and I just didn't want to reply late, but I did. I'm going to email her back tonight and let her know that I did get my order, and I'm going to post some pictures after I get it installed, so you guys stay tuned for that. But y'all, this hair is so soft, like I can't like stop rubbing it. Like, yeah, this is it, y'all. But just wanted to give y'all a little, you know, a little short of hair. So I definitely recommend it. This is my first time using this company. Somebody actually recommended this company to me. And so I was like, let me try it out. Let me try it out. And so far I am pleased. But you can't be too sure until you wash it and you dry it and you install it. So stay tuned for that.
Baby, let's go. Good music. Relax, little mind, sit back and chill. Hal Green playing several loans on the ground.